This is the week of April 26th through April 30th. And you can see here we have two questions that we're going to focus on this week. We are wrapping up this unit on the basic forms of energy. And then we're also then going to jump into and introduce the next unit, which is still talking about energy, but we're going to go more in depth with heat energy and how heat is transferred. So when we look at Monday's folder, we're going to learn more about some renewable sources of energy. I know that renewable and non-renewable sources, that's actually a term that we have already previously discussed earlier in the year. So we're going to go back and reference those terms, but now focusing on sources of energy. There is a notebook page you're going to print here. If you need to recreate that on your own, you can see what it looks like right here. It's just two sections, but we're going to talk about wind and water energy. So after reading those pages in the textbook, 356 to 361, you're going to watch this video and follow along, taking notes on water and wind as an energy source. On Tuesday, you are going to print this study guide, which revisits a lot of the topics that we've talked about and learned about with energy and the basic forms of energy and how energy can change form. Then after you complete that using your notes and your textbook, then you are going to go back and you're going to watch this video where I will walk through discussing each of these terms that are mentioned, and you can go through and check your work. Wednesday, we're going to wrap up this unit on energy. So you guys have a test here. There are 20 points available on this test. There's multiple choice, and then there are 4 matching questions. So do the best that you can. Unfortunately, I will not be able to reset this because answers will be made available to you guys as soon as you submit. So please take your time and do your very best on your first attempt on this quiz. And on Thursday, that's where we're going to jump into Unit 8, where we were talking about energy and specifically heat energy and how it's transferred. So you're going to read these textbook pages 374 to 379. In those, on those text pages, you're going to be learning about 3 ways that heat energy is transferred through conduction, convection, and radiation. After that, you're going to watch this Generation Genius video. You're going to click here, and Dr. Jeff is going to kind of bring these terms to life and show you examples of conduction, convection, and radiation. Finally, on Friday, you're just going to kind of recap and review what you've learned about heat energy, printing this notebook page, and you can see it here at the beginning of this video. So we're going to talk about the term heat, referring to heat energy, and then we're going to kind of discuss and just revisit and review what you learned in those textbook pages and with Dr. Jeff about conduction, convection, and radiation. So follow along in this video, taking notes as we go, and that's your week in science. Let me know if you have any questions.